How to fix OBS black screen. I am going to show you how you can fix the OBS black screen. For some reason, when you try to screen share OBS on Discord to stream to your friends, Discord only shows a black screen. The capture card seems to have no issues. Both Discord and OBS seem to be picking it up just fine. When you try to stream for the capture card feed directly or screen sharing a full screen projector from OBS, both work and gameplay and audio work just fine. It is just that Discord screen sharing the OBS app is the issue. You have looked online for some fixes and tried the following, but nothing has worked so far, like running Discord as admin, turning off hardware acceleration, clearing Discord cache, updating Discord, and updating all graphics drivers. It was working just time a few days ago, so something must have happened between them and now that caused this. But you can't for the life of me figure out what could have caused specifically Discord screen sharing OBS to not work all of a sudden. If there is something you might be missing, or if there is any method you can try, please let them know.